Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration bypass. So I will put about u equals to ln of s minus 1. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s minus 1. After we doing first derivative of this one in here, dv equals to the s. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So about this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration s over s minus 1 ds. So I will put negative number 1. Later that we add back about positive number 1. So s minus 1 divided by s minus 1, we have positive number 1. This one we have 1 over s minus 1. So the integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. And now we can put the absolute value in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.